Just to be clear, there's really three types of taxes you pay when you are a 1099 business owner.
Right.
You pay federal tax, we all do. You pay state tax, we all do. But you also pay self-employment tax,
Right.
which is FICA, which is your Medicare, Social Security. That, guys, is 15.3%. If you make $100,000, you got to pay 20% federal tax, let's say, right? Somewhere between 15 and 20. You got to pay 5% state, and then you got to pay 15% for FICA tax.
Crazy.
So that's a lot. You add that up, it's like, that's like $30,000, $40,000 in
literally.
taxes. When you're an S corp, though, you could control that a little more. That self-employment tax, you could say, I made $100,000. I'm going to pay myself a salary, W-2. Let's call it $40,000. And then the rest is just a distribution, which is reported on a K-1. I don't want to bore everybody. You only have to pay self-employment tax on the 40, on the salary part.